Today we talk about how can you get a free gift on your Eyecon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do is so you just go down here. You click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you click here on get a free gift, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on continue, just click on it. So then here add your phone number here. Then you click here on continue, then automatically it's going to take you to get a free gift on your Eyecon app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.